Hello students, welcome to the channel of Vedant classes. Okay, so let's see in this lecture the formulas of integration, and we'll solve few questions regarding the formula. Okay, so let's see the first formula for the integration. Okay, now let's see that integration of x raised to n dx, that will be x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. We have seen that in the previous lecture that we need to put a plus c over here if it is an indefinite integration without any limits. Okay, now this formula is valid only, this formula is valid for all the real numbers except one number, that is minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1, so this term will be undefined. So x n must not be equal to minus 1. Okay, now let's see the second formula. Integration of any constant, then we need to take constant out, dx. So integration of this will be x. Okay, so this is the formula of any constant. Okay, so you can directly write the value here. We can write k is equal to any constant. Okay, now let's solve few questions regarding this two formula. Okay, let's see the question 1. Now apply the integration. I is equal to integration of 4 x raised to 6. So you can write it like this: 4, then integration of x raised to 6 dx, then minus 2 integration of x cube dx, plus 7 integration of x dx, then minus 4 integration of dx. We have taken constant out of the integration. Okay, so this will be 4, this will be x raised to, now you need to add one power, so it will be x raised to 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 minus 2, this will be x raised to 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus 7, this will be x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus 4, and this will be directly we can write it as x. So this will be 4 x raised to 7 upon 7 minus, this will be 3 plus 1 4, so this will be 2 by 4 x raised to 4 plus 7 by 2 x square minus 4x. Now see, this will be 4 by 7 x raised to 7, this will be minus 1 by 2 x raised to 4 plus 7 by 2 x square minus 4x. So this is how we can take the integration of the x raised to n term. Okay, let's solve the another question. I is equal to integration of z raised to 7 minus 48 integration of z raised to 11. Here we need to write dz, this will be dz. Now see, the variable and this derivative dz must have to be same. Okay, you cannot write dx over here. Okay, if the variable is z, then this must be a dz. Then this will be minus 5 integration of z raised to 16 dz. So this will be, I am writing directly, z raised to 8 upon 8 minus 48, this will be z raised to 12 upon 12 minus 5, this will be z raised to 17 upon 17. You just need to add one power and write it in the denominator. So this will be z raised to 8 upon 8 minus, this will be 1 4, so minus 4 z raised to 12 minus 5 by 17 z raised to 17 plus c. Okay, you need to write plus c every time whenever you take out the integration. Okay, plus c. Okay, let's see the next one. This will be I. Now here you can see the power is negative, so don't bother about it, you just need to apply the rule. Okay, so this will be integration of y raised to minus 2 dy plus 10 integration of y raised to minus 5 dy minus 8 integration of dy. So this will be, if you increase one power it will be minus 1, so this will be y raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus 10, this will be y raised to minus 4 upon minus 4, and this will be 8y plus c. So simply this will be minus 1 upon y raised to minus 1 will be 1 by y, and we need to put this negative sign. This will be 2 and 5, so this will be minus 5 by 2. Taking y raised to minus 4 in denominator, this will be y raised to plus 4. So this term will be minus 5 by 2 into y raised to 4. this will be minus 8y plus c. Okay, now let's solve few more questions. Okay, now let's see the integration of surds, the terms that are having surds. So x raised to 7, can we write it as integration of x raised to 7 by 2 dx, then minus 7 integration of, we can write it as x raised to 5 by 6 dx plus 17, this will be integration of x raised to 10 by 3 dx. If you don't know the rule, then you can simply remember nth root of x can be written as x raised to 1 by n. Okay, so you just need to take the nth root in the 1 upon n term. Okay, so apply the rule of integration. This will be x raised to 7 by 2 plus 1 upon 7 by 2 plus 1 minus 7, this will be x raised to 5 by 6 plus 1 upon 5 by 6 plus 1 plus 17, this will be x raised to 10 by 3 plus 1 upon 10 by 3 plus 1. So simply it will be, you can see 9 by 2, so this will be x raised to 9 by 2. So simply it will be 9 by 2 again. So can we write 2 by 9? It will be 9 by 2, and going this denominator, taking this denominator into numerator. Now see, this will be 7 x raised to, this will be 11 by 6 upon 11 by 6. Okay, we need to take it in the numerator. So this will be 17 x raised to 13 by 3, and this will be 13 by 3, taking this 3 in the numerator. Okay, so this is how you can solve, and then write plus c. Okay, now let's solve the next one. I is equal to, what you need to do, first multiply both these brackets. Okay, so this will be 4t square minus plus 3t cube minus 4 minus 3t in bracket dt. Now apply the integration. 4 integration of t square dt plus 3 integration of t cube dt minus integration of 4 dt minus 3 t of dt. So this will be 4 t cube by 3, this will be t cube by 3, this will be plus 3 t raised to 4 by 4 minus of, taking 4 outside the integration, so this will be integration of dt will be simply t, and this will be minus 3 integration of t will be t square by 2, because here power is 1. Okay, now write it in a proper way. 4 by 3 t cube plus 3 by 4 t raised to 4 minus 4t minus 3 by 2 t square. Okay, let's solve another one. Okay, now here what you need to do, just give the separate denominator to all the terms. So this will be z raised to 8 by z raised to 4 dz, then minus 6 integration of z raised to 5 upon z raised to 4 plus 4 integration of z square by z raised to 4 minus 2, this will be 1 upon z raised to 4 dz, this will be dz, this will be dz. Okay, here we need to write plus c. Remember to write plus c all the time. Okay, now I is equal to, this will be z raised to 4 dz minus 6, this will be z dz plus 4, this will be 1 upon z square, so can we write it as z raised to minus 2 dz, and this will be minus 2 integration of z raised to minus 4 dz. Applying the integration, this will be z raised to 5 upon 5, this will be 6 z square by 2 plus 4, this will be z raised to minus 1 by minus 1, and this will be minus 2 z raised to minus 3 upon minus 3. Okay, so plus c, so it will be z raised to 5 upon 5, then this will be 3z square, this will be minus 4 by z, this will be minus of minus, that will be plus, and 2 by 3z cube plus c. So this will be its answer. So just apply the basic rules and remember the formula. Okay, just you need to apply the formula. Okay, now let's see few more formulas of integration. Okay, so let's see the third formula. Third formula is for the x raised to x raised to minus 1. So that will be a 1 by x dx. So if you remember, the differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x will be ln mod x, because this value can never be negative, plus c. Fourth formula is for the exponential e raised to x dx. So this will be e raised to x. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Then integration of e raised to x will remain e raised to x. Okay, because integration means the antiderivative. Let's see the another formula. It is a special case of this one. E raised to a raised ax. Then it will be e raised to ax upon a. You just need to write the coefficient of x over here in the denominator. Okay, coefficient of x plus c. Okay, let's few more questions regarding this topic that are based on this formula. Okay, so let's solve the first one. I is equal to 5x raised to minus 1. So x raised to minus 1 will be 1 by x. So this will be I is equal to 5 integration of 1 by x dx. So simply the answer will be 5 ln mod x plus c. Okay, now let's see the next question. E raised to 5x dx. So the answer will be e raised to 5x, and you just need to put the coefficient of x in the denominator. Then you need to write plus c. Okay, let's solve few more questions. The third one is, now if you know, then we need to apply the separate denominator to both the terms. So it will be I is equal to integration of 2x cube by x, and this will be integration of x square by x dx. Okay, so now I is equal to 2 integration of this will be x square dx. Then let's say if we like plus 1 over here. Okay, so one more term will be there, plus 3, let's say. Okay, so it will be 3 of integration of 1 by x dx. Okay, so it will be look like this. Now let's see, this will be integration of only x dx, and this will be plus 3 integration of 1 by x dx. Now this will become x cube by 3. You just need to add one power. This will be x cube by 3. This will be x square by 2, and this will be plus 3 ln mod x plus c. Okay, so this will be like this. So this will be your answer. That's all. The next one. Okay, see in this question you just need to apply, take 5 out of the integration. So this will be 1 by x dx, and this will be minus of integration of e raised to 4x dx. So this will be 5 ln mod x minus e raised to 4x upon 4 plus c. Okay, so just apply the formulas accordingly. Now let's solve the next one. See again, in this one we need to multiply 1 by x to all the terms. Okay, so it will be I is equal to integration of 7x by x minus integration of 4x square by x minus integration of 2 by x dx. Okay, you just need to write dx to all the three terms. So x will get cancelled out, so this will be integration of 7 dx minus, here it will be integration of 4x dx, x square by x, so it will be x, and this will be taking 2 1 by x dx. So here the answer will be 7x, here it will be minus 4x square by 2, and this will be minus 2 ln mod x plus c. So simply you just need to cancel this one. So this will be 7x minus 2x square minus twice of ln mod x plus c. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's see few more formulas of integration. Okay, now see the integration of sin x will be minus cos x. Okay, so differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so integration of sin x will be minus cos x. Okay, plus c. Now see, if there is any function like this inside the argument of sine, if like this, sine 7x plus 3, or you can say sine 5x, just like this. If it is given like that, then remember you need to place a coefficient of x in the denominator. Okay, now similarly integration of cos x is plus sin x, and similarly if there is any function like this in the argument, then you need to place the coefficient of x in the denominator. Okay, and the last formula is like this, the first one, if any function is there, then its power is given ax plus b the whole raised to n, then you need to increase the power and divide the power. Then in this case also you need to multiply the denominator with a. Okay, so let's solve few questions regarding this formula. Okay, so let's see the first one. I is equal to the integration of sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx minus 2 integration of dx. So simply this will be the integration of sin x is minus cos x, so minus cos x, integration of cos x is sin x, and this will be minus 2x plus c. Okay, let's see the next one. See, this question is like this, integration of root of 5x plus 1. So can we write it like this, root of 5x plus 1, so it will be 1 by 2 dx. Okay, so now apply the rule, 5x plus 1 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 5. You need to multiply the term with the coefficient of x. Okay, so this will be 5x plus 1 raised to, this will be 3 by 2, and this will be 3 by 2 taking 2 in the denominator, so this will be 2, and this will be 3 into 5, so it will be 15 plus c. Okay, so this will be your answer for this one. Okay, now let's see the next one. I is equal to integration of sin 5x minus dx minus cos, integration of cos 2x plus 3 dx. So the integration of 5x will be, so integration of sin will be minus cos, so minus cos 5x, and denominator we need to write 5. Okay, in this case it will be minus, the integration of cos is plus sin, so this will be sin 2x plus 3 upon, in denominator you need to write the coefficient of x, so this will be plus c. So this will be simply your answer. Okay, let's solve the last one. Integration of cube root of x 8x minus 1. So you can write it like this, integration of 8x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 dx. So now you just need to apply the rule. Okay, so this will be 8x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 into, you need to multiply it with coefficient of x, so it will be 1 by 8. So this will be 8x minus 1, this will be 4 by 3, this will be again 4 by 3 into 1 by 8. Okay, plus c. So this will taking 3 in the numerator, and then 8 4s are 32, so this will be 32 by it will be 3 by 32 into 8x minus 1 raised to 4 by 3 plus c. Okay, so these things you need to learn regarding the integration. Okay, I have given one PDF for the practice questions of the integration, so solve those sums to get more perfect in the integration. So if you are having any doubts, then mention your doubts in the comment section. Okay, so that's it from this lecture. Thanks a lot.